Hi friend, Nisar says welcome to you on my YouTube channel Discover More. Friends, I love puzzles and logical games. That's why again sharing with you a new puzzle game. This is so easy, but I'm sure next video and next puzzle will be so hard for you. But if you understand these logics, hopefully you will be solve all the puzzles. So let's start. As you are watching on the screen, we have the 9 numbers 1, 2, 3 and till 9. This is the sequence numbers, and then our requirement is that in this box we require to fill these numbers one by one, all numbers, and our requirement is that each side of total should be 15. From every side, when we count, this should be number 15. The total of these figures should be 15. First of all, before starting this, we count these sides and corners, that how many sides and corners are available in this box. I'm showing some arrows for counting the sides and corners, that how many sides and corners we have in this box. If you are watching on a screen, I am placing these arrows. Now we will count that how many arrows or sides are available in this box. Let's assume if we start from here in this side, if we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. In the 9 boxes, we have 16 corners and sides. What is our requirement? As you remember, we need to put all these 9 numbers in this box, and we need sum from each side as a 15 figure. So how it is possible? Can you solve this puzzle? Just pause the video. Okay, now we are going to start, and I am going to tell you that how we can solve this puzzle. I will be start filling from left top corner, right here. First of all, I will put the number 6. Then I will come in center and will be put the number 5. After that, I will put the number 4. As I put the number 4, if you see from both sides, it is going to count as a 15, so that's why this tick mark is appearing. Now I will come on the right side. Here I will put the number 8, right? After that, I will come on left side and will be put the number 2. As I put the 2, this is correct figure, and this tick mark is appearing that till here we are going to correct side. Now 4 numbers are remaining. Now I am going to put 1 here, then will become on right side 3 here, then will be left side 7 here, and what is remaining? Yes, 9 number is remaining, and now puzzle has been solved. If you count from everywhere, from every side, it is going to 15. It is going to sum as 15. 2 and 5 is equal to 7 and 8, 15. 6, 5, 11 and 4, 15. 8, 3, 11 and 4, 15. 4, 9, 13 and 2, 15. From every side, from every corner, 16 corners and sides are showing that our total is number 15 as we required. And now our puzzle has been solved. This was very easy and interesting puzzle for you, but I am sure if you did not focus on it, then you will be stuck on next puzzle. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos, more puzzle, more logical games and more informative videos. Thank you very much. Bye.